YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Legacy Jr. coming at you with another video. Alright, y'all. So, today we are gonna go install my wing. I bought a big ass wing for my Silverado. So, we're gonna get that installed. I dropped it off to get painted not too long ago. So, we're gonna get it installed today. Well, I'm gonna install it. Well, we're gonna install it. Y'all gonna see it. But along with that, if you seen the last video, we got a couple of goodies. I'm throwing on some custom lettering in the back. It's gonna say Legacy in the back, man. Hold on, let me show y'all real quick. Pete, man. Hold on, I'll spell that shit wrong. Pete that. Tell me that is not some gangsta ass shit. Bro, instead of saying Silverado, it's gonna say Legacy. I think that's so player. I honestly came up with the idea. I've been wanting to do it for a minute. So I was like, you know what? Let me take these motherfuckers off and throw these on. So we're gonna install it today. And to top it off, I've been wanting to throw some of these spike luggings on for a while now. Pete. Boy, and don't mind my hands, bro. I'll be going to the gym and shit, so this should be fucked up. But look, bro, that's not even the point. These, you can stab somebody with these motherfuckers. Boy, whew. Tell me these are not player, bro. These are going to look so good, especially for the ones I'm getting. Y'all going to have to stay tuned. If you have not followed my Instagram, bro, make sure you follow my Instagram at Legacy Jr. I'll put the link down in the description. Y'all can go follow there. But these are going to go on today as well. It's Legacy sticker. So it is raining today, so I do gotta hurry up and go get the wing and do some other shit put on. So we're gonna rush over there right now and let's see what goes, bro. Let's see how it goes. I haven't installed a wing like this on this truck yet, and it is made by, I believe, Street Concept, but it's shipped by somebody else. So I don't know how the install's gonna go, but we're gonna find out. Still can't believe what happened to my lip, bro. If you seen the last video, you know that my lip. Just go watch the last video. Man, she look good as hell. I should probably get remote star on this truck, honestly. I could just, and then boom. I just keep seeing vets, bro. Like, is this a sign? Is this a motherfucking sign? I really do want a C6. I'm between C6 and C7. But the C6 just got that body, bro. It's got that, like, that Brazilian booty. Big titty. Just got the nice body, you feel me? And I fuck with the C6 and how it looks like. I feel like it looks like a sporty car and it would never age. It's just so loud. God damn, boy. You hear that? You hear them horses? It is out of pocket. I ain't gonna lie. Let me stop. What I'm saying? Yeah, but the C6 is just like, it's one of them cars, bro. Like, you pull up with the C6 and it's just like, it's a statement car, feel me? Not a lot of young niggas be having C6, C7s. Like the good kind. I'm talking about like Grand Sports or like at least fully built ones with a body kits on and shit. Unless they're old heads, feel me? Having a C6 at a young age, I feel like that would be a nice car to have around, have fun and all that shit. I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna park it. Cause bro, this parking situation, y'all don't know, but this parking situation is ridiculous. What's y'all dream car? Comment down below. Or truck, I don't care. What is your dream vehicle, bro? Let me know. Let me know what y'all niggas think. What Legacy Mafia think. What do y'all want? What do y'all want, huh? Y'all want a Prius on 26s? Cause I can do a giveaway. We can give away a Prius on 26s. You just let me know. Y'all want that? You just let me know. My bad if my energy's a little low or a little weird. I got off of work, so like I'm tired, man. Cause this is Junior's back. We're gonna be dropping videos consistently, bro. At least 2 a month. Alright, 2 months is crazy. We gotta drop videos as soon as we can, bro. I be trying. Y'all don't understand how much time goes into this editing and shit. It's just not for the week. When you own your businesses, have an actual job, and still doing YouTube, bro, is not easy. Especially when you gotta edit, record. Fuck that, cause this is Junior's back. We're gonna drop a hella video soon, especially on TikTok. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok, follow on TikTok, Real Legacy Junior. Cause we're about to hit 1K on there soon, which is crazy, bro. Like, I literally just started consistently posting probably like last month, and we were at like 200 followers, and we're about to hit 1K in like shit. Fuck, what, 3 weeks? That shit is ridiculous, bro. I love y'all for real, for real. If you watching this from TikTok, rap your shit, bro. Drop your TikTok down below. Do what you wanna do. I'm done yapping though, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get over there, and we're gonna put this wing on, and y'all gonna see some badass shit. Alright. So we're here. This shit look crazy, bro. I know I be having a weird reaction every single time I look at a wing or a part that I'm install, but it's because, bro, getting new parts is like so dope. It's like Christmas. Every single time you get a new part, it's just like you hella hyped to put it on. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, oh, that shit look crazy. Damn. Honestly, this shit looks insane. I like the way it came out. Let's put the fangs on though. We're gonna put the fangs on and see how it looks like that. But just in general, the wing like that looks crazy, bro. That's exactly what I wanted. There's the other one that's like straight. I ain't gonna talk shit because some of y'all might have that. But it's like straight wing. That's not my taste. I like a little bit more over the board. So this one's the one that I went with, and I don't regret it. I really do fuck with this one. Let's keep going, bro. It's getting late and it's raining. Test fitting the rivets right now, just to make sure these holes are gonna go in smoothly. Because there already be holes over here, but once you make the hole, you can't fuck up. Because once you fuck up, the tailgate's pretty much gonna be done for. So measure twice, cut once type shit. All right, y'all, we fucked this up. Ain't no going back. Good? Yep. All right. You like it? I love it. After the rivets are in, it should literally be a quick install. That's what everybody says. It should be a quick install. Watch it be some bullshit. I don't know what could happen, but we're not gonna say that. It's gonna be easy install. All right, y'all. I fucking jinxed it. Literally. That was probably like what? 2 hours? 3 hours?
Like 2 hours. The
fucking bolt stripped on the rivet. And these rivet nuts are not the ones you want to strip, bro. It just took way too fucking long. I'm gonna show y'all the ending results of. Man, just look at this shit. Man, I'm trying to tell y'all. I keep bumping into these vets, bro. I'm gonna make it happen. They just look so good, boy. Anyways, yesterday went completely shit, so this is a brand new day. We're back at it again. I'm fresh off of work, so don't mind the attire. Had to take care of some shit, you feel me? We are gonna get it installed tonight. We're gonna figure out one way or another. We gotta cut a bolt, do this, do that. Y'all gonna see. It's fucking sketchy. And that's that. Not gonna lie, that shit was sketchy as hell. 2 glasses, that's how sketchy it was. 2 glasses. This shit is fucking headache, bro. It should not have been this hard to install, but the wing is finally on. And bro, this looks exactly how I imagined it. Alright, y'all, so this might be like a little out of the whole ordinary for the video, but we need a little weekend getaway. So that's exactly what we did. But right now we just hit the gym. Well, we didn't hit the gym, we checked the gym out, and that shit is fucking crazy, bro. I've never seen a hotel with a gym like this. Like, it's just, I wanna see how the player. I thought somebody was looking at me. We're gonna get some food right now, get the day started, gamble a little bit, and hopefully I win that Corvette money, bro. I keep seeing Corvettes. Y'all seen like the Corvette like 7 times in this fucking video. Let's see what's going on. But I don't know what's gonna go after this, but I'll show y'all. All right, YouTube, we're back. Guess what we just came out of? Motherfucking gym. Today, we're at a different spot. A spot that if you've been following since the get-go, you know where I'm at. This is where Legacy Junior started, man. From the jump, from the get-go, from trials and tribulations, this is where I started. I'm gonna show y'all where the spot's at. Let me know if you remember. That's crazy, bro, because before I had all these modifications and before I had the spot that I had now, I didn't have nowhere to work on my truck, bro. Nowhere. So I came out here and I would literally work on my truck out here, bro. I'm talking about like day to night type shit. As long as it needed to get done, the video needed to get shot, I would shoot the video and get it all completed in this here parking lot, bro. So that just shows you that if you want it bad enough, you gonna make it happen one way or another, bro. But I'm not gonna keep yapping your head off. The wing is fully fucking installed, bro. Everything's installed on the wing. It's looking a little bit ghetto right now. I'm not gonna lie, just because I had to do some shit to make it fit and make it hold. But I'm gonna quit yapping and I'm gonna show y'all how it look, because I think this shit looks crazy. It's a little ASMR for you little freaky asses. Little freaky ass. You like ASMR, huh? You like ASMR? It's a little freaky ass. I bet you do, it's your little freaky ass. Nah, I'm just playing. Oh, it's like I'm wrapping a birthday gift cut. And if there is any tape stuck on the wing or on the blue, you can always just come back with a razor blade and cut it. So don't get to bitching and crying talking about, oh, shut your stupid ass up. Bro, this shit look ghetto as hell. I pulled up to the gym with that shit. People probably don't know what the fuck it's for. It was a necessity because I needed to mold right. I needed to have something holding it. And bro, what the fuck was I supposed to have? Like somebody in the back just holding this shit on the freeway? If you say yes to that shit, something wrong with your ass. And we should probably be friends, I ain't gonna lie. This shit is so satisfying. I don't know, cuz it's just weird. It just hit different. Like I said, there is gonna be a couple little blue pieces and shit. You can literally go over it with a blade and it's gonna clean that shit right up. So I ain't worried about that. As long as it holds and it's steady, we smooth. So I think down below that I go with a good wing. Should I go with a bigger wing? This wing big as hell though, I ain't gonna cap. But I feel like I did a good choice, bro. I'm more than happy with my truck. This shit needed to look aggressive from the back, and this is what it came with. It came with that pressure, boy. Look at this shit. Big legacy in the back, you see it. Whew. Fat ass wing, boy. She look good too. What she fucking needed. I didn't need it, she needed it. I don't even be ordering this shit, bro. It'd be her. She'd be over here shopping on shit. I just give her my card. And look, what the fuck am I talking about? I still got pre-workout on my system. Anyways. Y'all, when I tell you I thought it was a pit bull she was screaming at, nigga, my heart dropped. Then she talking about, come here, asshole. I heard footsteps behind me. Nigga, I thought that shit was a Great Dane pit bull / King Kong monster. I don't know what the fuck, but I just wanted to sit here and reminisce how far we've came, bro. It's been wild last 2 to 3 years, bro. It was life changing like crazy. YouTube had a big impact, bro. YouTube had, like, y'all made a big ass impact in my life. You have to really trust your purpose and trust that whatever you got going on is gonna be full through, bro. Plan A is, there's no plan B. You got plan A or you're gonna die. One of the two. You're either gonna do plan A or you're gonna die. You can't have that plan B, plan C shit, because it leaves no security for you and yourself and what you got inside of you to really want to push that shit to the next level. Feel me, gang? You gotta keep going for your dreams, bro. Keep going for your passion, whatever it is, bro. Do not give up. Do not give up. Keep at that shit. Keep at that shit. No matter who the fuck's telling you what, keep at that shit. You also gotta mind and keep knowledge of the people you have around you, people that you keep company, because sometimes, bro, people can hold you down. You also gotta use your discernment though and really understand, like, the people you have around you, are they really there for you? Are they pushing you to the next level, or are they just fucking dead weight? I also am bringing a different type of style videos to this channel, bro, just because, like, I mean, I don't want to just flood y'all shit with like truck shit, bro. I'm trying to have y'all really seeing who Junior is and what I got going on, and I want you to walk the path with me to where I'm gonna be at in life, man. Y'all really finna see where the fuck I be at, what I be doing, as long as I put it on this camera, because for me, privacy is a little, you gotta have a little privacy sometimes too. So this year is gonna be the year that we're gonna travel, we're gonna go out more, we're gonna do a lot of like vacation blogs. Don't get locked in your little city and think that that's all there is to life, bro. I promise you, once you get out these little four corners and shit, life is so beautiful and so great. There's so many things to do out there, so many people to meet, so many relationships that you can establish with people out there in the world, bro. It's not just your city. So if your city's weighing you down, get out your city, bro. Save up a couple bucks, invest in a little flight, bro, and get out there for a couple days. So, I mean, you might like it, you might fuck with it, you might meet somebody, you might meet your dream wife or your dream nigga out there, bro, and you never know. But that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like down below. If you guys fuck with the wing, make sure you leave a like below. But it's your boy Lex Jr. I'm out. Till next time, peace.